Hello everyone, welcome to the another interesting video of snail and its locomotion. Welcome to the fascinating world of snails. These slow moving, slimy creatures may seem simple, but they are packed with incredible features that have helped them thrive on our planet for over 500 million years. Let's dive into the amazing world of snails. Its body structure. A snail's body is made up of three main parts: the head, foot, and visceral mass. The head contains the brain, eyes, and tentacles, which helps snails sense their environment. The foot is used for locomotion, and the visceral mass contains the snail's internal organs. Coming to the shell of the snail's shell is its most distinctive feature. Made from calcium carbonate, it protects the snail's soft body from predators and dehydration. Shells come in incredible shapes, sizes, and colors, adapted to each snail's specific environment. Coming to their movement, snails produce slime to help them move and protect themselves. This sticky fluid, made from glycoproteins, allows snails to glide over surfaces and even climb on vertical walls. They can even use their slime to seal themselves within their shells for protection. Their diet and feeding. Snails are herbivorous, feeding on plants, algae, and even fungi. They use their radula, a tooth-like structure, to scrape up nutrients. Some snails are specialized to eat specific plants, while others are generalist feeders. Their reproduction and life cycle is one more interesting aspect. Snails are hermaphroditic, meaning they have both male and female reproductive organs. They mate with other snails to exchange sperm, then lay eggs in protected locations. Snails can live up to 5 to 7 years in captivity, with some species living up to a maximum of 15 years. So, in conclusion, snails may be slow, but they are incredibly resilient and adaptable. From gardens to forests, these fascinating creatures play a vital role in ecosystems worldwide. Join us next time as we explore more wonders of the natural world. Thanks for watching the video.